Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with an energizing core movement. Extend both your legs forward, pressing down through your feet. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Pause with both legs extended. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Pause with both legs extended. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Begin to alternate, lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.